So I have this broken DualShock 4 controller that came with a used PlayStation 4 a while back. I've tried different cables and chargers, but it doesn't power on and doesn't charge. The controller is held together by 4 screws and plastic clips all around. It's best to use a plastic spatula to prevent damage to the casing. The issue with this one is kind of obvious. The battery is disconnected and the USB charging board isn't even connected to anything, so someone has worked on this controller before. And the flex ribbon cable connector is also missing from the board for some reason. There's 7 versions of the DualShock 4 controllers, so you should check the USB board of your controller before placing an order for a new board replacement. You can find a reference for the different controller versions in the description below. By looking at the board, I can see the model number for this one is JDS055. I already have spare boards, but these are very cheap to buy from AliExpress, and I paid less than $1 per board. The link to the one I have will also be in the description below. The boards are shipped as breakaway boards when you order multiple ones, meaning that you can simply just break off one of the boards. This board is identical to the original except for the missing connector. The new flex cable fits perfectly, so the controller can now be reassembled. The controller now works and it's taking a charge. And we are done. I hope you found this video interesting. Feel free to leave a comment if you have any questions, and please like and subscribe to my channel if you like watching stuff like this.